In this video, I'm going to show you how to get all the tax returns from H&R Block. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the Taxes tab here on the left, and then you want to click on Get Started, where it says Get Started on your taxes. Here, you want to basically select one of these two, completely up to you. I'm going to do this one, press Next, and then it's going to basically start loading the next website for a few seconds over here to actually populate all the fields and stuff like that. And whenever that's done, you'll be able to get your old tax returns from H&R Block in here. So this takes a few seconds over here. There we go. Now I'm going to skip this for now to actually show you directly, and there we go. It's going to basically allow you to select plans and stuff like that. But over here on the left, it's going to say previous taxes. So click on previous taxes, and here, in case you do have any old tax returns, you'll be able to download them directly from here. Now for me, I don't have any, as you can see, but if you do, you'll be able to download them and print them from past years. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.